Welcome to part 3 of the Secret Code Podcast's 4-part tutorial series on the Secret Monero Bridge. Part 1 was bringing the Monero across the bridge and getting Secret Monero. Part 2 was purchasing CeFi and liquidity providing with it. And now we are going to take out those LP tokens from the earn contract, take out our liquidity from the pool, and then purchase back our SXMR with our CeFi to get ready for part 4, where we go back across that bridge and put Monero back on our GUI wallet. In this video, we need our Kepler wallet connected, we need our staked LP tokens, which we have CeFi and SXMR, and then we will need our secret for gas. So we're going to start out going to Secretswap, and last video we went swap, pool, earn, kind of working left to right. This video we're going to do it backwards. So we're going to start in the earn tab, find our pool and take our tokens out, and then we'll go to the pool tab and then the swap tab. So here we are in Secretswap on the earn tab, scrolling down to CeFi SXMR, and we've got our LP tokens here on the right staked. So we're clicking 100% and withdraw. And just a heads up, if you were thinking about, oh, let me claim my CeFi rewards and take this out, whenever you deposit or withdraw in this contract, you'll automatically claim all of your rewards. So now we're going to go to the pool tab, and we're going to find that pair in the withdraw section. So it's default provide. Click on the right where it says withdraw, and I'm just typing in SEF and scrolling down to where I find CeFi SXMR. Here is my pool. And over here on the right, it'll show how many of the tokens we have available. And I'll go ahead and click withdraw. All right, so now we took our liquidity out of the pool. The last step is to go to the swap tab and purchase our SXMR back from our CeFi. So we went earn from the middle, then pool, now swap. And if you want to check it out here in your Kepler wallet, you can see, remember we had the SPY CeFi SXMR. Then when we took it out, we were back in the swap LP. And now since we took out our liquidity, we actually have our SXMR and our CeFi back. So here we are in the swap tab. We want our input to be CeFi and our output to be SXMR. And go ahead and swap maximum. And we're getting just about our 0.12 SXMR back. And after it's been complete, sure enough, we're just under that 0.24 SXMR we started this tutorial series out with. So thank you very much for watching this video where we took our liquidity back out of Secretswap. And now please stick around for part 4, where we're going to show you how to go back into Monero and privately withdraw your liquidity.
For the community, by the community.